Yes, you can start. Hello,
So good
Kirthan.
morning.
Yeah. So Lubna is going to start on Cursor AI. Go ahead, Lubna.
Good morning, everyone. So
I
it's
think
me,
you have not
Lubna.
shared the screen. Can you click on any of the browser?
Yes, sir. One second.
Yeah.
I think it's
Start.
open now. So good morning, everyone. I'm Lubna from third year CSE. So I'm here to explain about the Cursor AI tool. So Cursor AI tool is an AI powered code editor which works very similar to the VS Code. The only difference between a VS Code and a Cursor AI is the additional AI feature that it holds in it. So it is going to integrate with some of the GPT based model, which is going to enhance in the case of the code generation, debugging, refactoring, and also the giving the summary of the codes and also having the code explanation.
Lubna,
Now,
we are not able to see anything on the screen. Are you showing something?
so I've opened the cursor page.
Yeah, but I think we are not able to see. You should share the entire screen. I think you're not sharing the entire screen. We are
I'm
seeing a
sharing. I think this is fine.
no. Now I can see it. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So I'll be explaining the demo by using the. So I'll be explaining some of the key features that the cursor AI holds. So let us come up with some demo. So the key features of the cursor AI will be clear.
Yeah.
So here is our first feature. Once again, sir. Yeah. So our first key feature that cursor AI holds is about the AI autocomplete and the code suggestions. So here what basically happens is, suppose if I'm going to create, for example, if I create it as demo 4 point, I'll be using the Python code. So if I write any code, for example, if I write it as def is under prime of n. So as we can see that the code is already, the AI is already suggesting me the further code that I need to write. So it's simply if I click on the tab, the entire code gets displayed. So we need not type manually. The AI is going to suggest us with the few codes. So this is the first feature, that is about the AI autocomplete. The second feature is about the AI powered chat assistant. Now suppose for this, if I am going to write any incomplete code, for example, if I write it as any incorrect code, so here is an incorrect code. So what can I do is, I can simply press Command plus L. When I do this, I will be getting a chat box beside. Now in this chat box, I can ask the AI to give me the correct code. For example, if I want, I can just click on this. I can just focus on this code and then I can press Command and L. So you can see that on my side screen is displaying the code on which I need to ask the question. For example, if I ask the AI to question has what is the error. So here it displays what is my error. So it also helps in solving the errors. So this is the second key feature that Cursor AI holds. The third feature is about the code refactoring and debugging. For example, if I write any insufficient code, for example, if I write it as def, so can I just copy paste it for now?
Okay.
Um,
So you're going to copy paste an incorrect code, is it?
yes, sir. Inefficient code, not the incorrect,
Inefficient code. Okay.
inefficient code. So this is the inefficient code now.
Hmm.
Suppose if I select this entire code and then again I press Command L and I give a give the AI question that is refactor this for better efficiency. So this is what I get. So based upon the suggestions from the I can use this for giving the better efficiency. The next code, the next feature is about the natural language code generation. So here it's a very simple. Like what we can do is when we get the chat box over here, in the chat box itself, we can write the prompt in a very common language that is English. Like if I give the AI question has generate a Python function. So here we will be getting the entire Fibonacci number. So this is going to reduce the manual work because every work will be done by the AI itself. So here is a code that we have got. We can simply copy paste it over here and thereby get the solution. The
Okay.
next feature it holds is AI powered documentation. So basically, it is for the explanation. As in the case of the VS Code, the VS Code is not going to allow us, VS Code does not provide us any explanation about the complex code. We need to find it out by ourselves. But in the case of this Cursor AI, we can get the code explanation. For example, if I write a program that says, as we can already see, it's giving me the suggestion to click on this. So if I focus on this and then again ask the AI to give the documentation, that is, I'll just show it. Just pressing the command here and I give this as add documentation. So here we can see that it is actually explaining us the code. So this is very useful to understand the logic behind every code that we write. So these are the few key features that is provided by the Cursor AI. So this is very useful for those who do not want to switch between the chat boxes when they are coding. So that's all about this topic. I hope everyone uses this efficiently.
Yeah, thank you. I have a few questions to ask. Should I install Cursor AI in my...
Yes, sir.
So how do
The
I install? Can you help me to understand how to install Cursor AI?
The process is very simple. We just need to search the in the Google. We just need to search the Cursor AI. We get a link called as a Cursor AI. We just need to click on that, and we need to sign in. And then you will be getting the options like is it for your Mac or is it for your Windows. You can give it as per your system, and then it gets downloaded. But we cannot log. You need to download it. You cannot log in through the website.
So this is equivalent to VS Code, or is it a VS Code attachment? Is it a VS
We
Code
cannot say
extension, or is it a substitute for a VS Code?
I think it is an extension. I can briefly say it is like an extension for the VS Code because VS Code has the features of giving you the like if you're using HTML then it provides you the code, but it is not going to give you the chat box aside. No, nor there is an AI built because we need
No,
extensions for VS
what
Code.
we see on your computer is it is pure cursor IDE, right? It is not a VS
Yes.
Code screen. What I am seeing, right?
No.
So I without opening VS Code, I can just open cursor and start coding. Am I right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, in
Correct.
this you have shown a Python code. Can I code in Java here?
Yes, we can code, but
Can you
for now I'm
before Monday? Can you tell me whether you can code in Java and HTML? What all is possible? You can you please let
I
us
have
know?
tried, sir. I have tried HTML. We can code it in HTML too.
No, I want the following. Can you code in HTML? Can you code in Java? Can you code in C? And can you do any other language? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just find out
Yes.
what all is capable. Okay. See, what I
Yes, sir.
feel is this is extremely useful for beginners who want to learn programming, especially school
Yes,
boys, etc. If you want to
yes,
explain to them, it's very easy to explain to them. It becomes a very good teaching aid. Okay, within 1 hour
yes,
you can teach them so much thing. It will reduce the amount of time you require to type on the keyboard. Okay, so
yes,
if
sir. So
Lubna
when
is teaching some diploma student or 8th standard student simple Python code, this tool will really help. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Lubna. Very good job. I appreciate the time and effort you have taken. Over to Kirtan
Thank
now. Stop sharing, Lubna. But please
yes, sir.
be on the call till Kirtan finishes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kirtan, you can begin with your tool. And Lubna, after this call, please call up all the girls and tell them that Kutyar sir was expecting you to be coming today. Okay.
Yes,
Please
sir.
do not miss the demo on Monday at 8 p.m. Okay. Ask them to come prepared. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kirtan, you have to click on the share button. Okay. Yeah. We can see now. So what is your tool now, Kirtan? Kirtan, your voice is not reaching us. So either your microphone is muted or you are not able to hear us.
Am I audible?
Yes, now you are audible. Can you mention your tool name?
Yeah, I'll start. So, good evening, everyone. I'm Kirthan from third year CSE. So, today I'm going to give a brief overview about Codeium AI. So, let me start with the basic small presentation. So, basically, Codeium AI is an AI powered platform which helps you in efficient coding and giving some suggestions about your code, or basically, it's improving your coding skills and all. So, if we talk about the uses about this Codeium AI, so the first point is code auto completion. As the Cursor AI does, same thing the Codeium AI, it suggests you what is the next part of the code. So if you write like 10 to 20% of a code, it gives you a case that whether this is your required code. So that's the code auto completion. Next, you have a code generation, like the ChatGPT does. ChatGPT basically has the wider area. So Codeium AI basically generates a code which you give in your prompt. So whatever code you want, you need to give a prompt in your basic English. It generates a code based on your requirement. Third one is code refactoring and optimization. It's basically increasing the performance of a code, like reducing time complexity and all. Fourth is code explanation and documentation. So same as the cursor AI which Lubna has explained. So it gives a explanation of a particular code snippet and helps you understand the code better. Fifth one is multi-language support. So it basically supports different languages like C programming, Python, Java, etc. And sixth one is integration with IDEs. So it can be integrated with the editors like VS Codes and other what to say Jupyter notebooks and all. So this is the homepage of our Podium AI. So I'll go through the website now.
What is the difference between Codeium AI and Windsurf Editor? I'm confused between the two.
I'm not gone through that, sir. So
Okay.
due to the time constraint,
Yeah.
I'll
Sure.
I'll prepare better for the next rehearsal.
Okay.
So yeah, this is our homepage of our Codeium AI. Whenever you go to a web browser and search Codeium AI, the first link when you click, you'll get this thing. So now we need to sign up. Sign up to install. Like this is basically a extension. Like the Cursor AI is basically an extension which can be integrated with your editors. So first thing you need to download. You click this download here. So you'll get a different options like which editor you want to add. I had given a Visual Studio Code, so I had already integrated it with the VS Code. So my account is here with Nayak. Then yeah, whenever you get this, if you want any help to integrate with the VS Code, you can refer this video. Whenever you click this VS Code, it will bring you to this page. So Codeium AI in Visual Studio Code. Then by clicking quick install, we can we'll jump to the VS Code. So basically, here we have that Codeium AI is there. We can use this. So now it's an I'll go with some basic codes to open a command prompt to enter our requirement. You need to press Control I. So you will
Control,
get
control what?
Control I.
Control I. In case of
Yes.
cursor, it was Command S, is it?
Commands something.
Sir.
Did you say Command S or Control S, Lubna?
Command plus L.
Command plus S. You are
L
using Windows, right?
L
Lubna?
L sir.
Sir,
Were you using Windows or Mac?
Mac, sir.
Mac. So that means Mac,
Okay.
it is Command S for Mac and Control S for Windows, I think.
Command plus L,
No, no. Command is only for Mac. But if it is Windows, it should be Control S.
not S, sir. L.
L. Okay. So Control Command L
Yeah.
for cursor and
Yeah.
sorry,
Windows we don't have
Control
command.
L for cursor,
Yeah.
and for you it is Control I, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
Control I for Codeium
Control
AI.
I. I know I'm just trying to see the difference in
Yeah.
shortcut. Control L for cursor and Control
Yeah.
I for Codeium, right?
Sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here you can see that Control I for Codeium command.
Uh-huh.
So use this command in Control I for Windows and Linux. And
Okay.
this is command, I think. Yeah, right.
No,
Is this
it's
command?
always control is replaced by command whenever it is Mac. That everybody knows. You can leave it.
Yeah. In Mac OS, it's Control I. Same thing.
No,
Command I.
it's
Yeah.
not. It's
Mac
not
OS.
control. It's command I. Everything
Yeah. Yeah.
which is
Command I.
control will
Yeah.
be replaced by command in Mac. Okay. Hmm.
Yeah. So I have given a prompt about sum of first 10 integers. So it is directly giving me a code that is the code auto generation. So okay, here I'll run it. Okay.
What are you trying to do? I didn't get you.
Uh, I'm running it. I have got this in the first run. So
So it
it's
says fail to resolve.
I got here in the first run. I tried this.
No,
So I
but
got
this
same
is
thing.
only this one.
I
Where are
tried
you running this code?
the
Because
same
this.
prompt. So let me. It's
No, this
VS
is.
Code. So
Yeah.
this is an extension. As I said, command. So Codeium AI is an extension. So you can go to this and search for Codeium AI. And here you'll install just like VS Codes, Jupyter notebooks, and all. So when I tried before joining this, it ran. So some better prompts I need to give, I think.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. So can you do one thing? Can you? We can stop here. You can practice,
yeah.
and then you can send me a
Okay.
mail. What exactly was the
Yeah.
problem and what we need to take care. Okay.
Okay. Just a minute.
Hmm. Okay. So you got it. You got the code.
It's giving me functions. Without function, if you try, it may. I'll go through this and try to make it better. So no, not yet.
No,
Uh,
can you yeah include line 8 print also you make it enabled. Yeah, now you run it.
okay. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. So
Yeah,
yeah, it's
because
printing.
only
Actually,
function will
it's just
not do. No, you
better,
need
but
to
it's
run the command. Okay.
yeah, yeah. Here
Yeah,
is
why
we have
it
got
is
the
giving like that is so that you can generate
yeah,
more and more. functions in one line of code. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it also suggests like we got the eighth line print sum of first 10 in numbers. It also suggests about the code auto generation, code auto completion, and all. So these are the use cases of
No,
Codeium
you do one thing.
AI.
Instead of range, you make a mistake there in spelling.
And
In range, you make a mistake in,
okay, okay here.
yeah. So where is the suggestion?
So that yeah, here it's actually
Okay. Oh, it is suggesting, right?
suggesting here.
Okay. Okay. Instead of 11, you make it minus 4.
We have got the n here.
Yeah, yeah. Instead of 11, you make it minus 4.
Like this one.
Instead of
Yeah,
1
suggest.
comma 11, make it minus 4. Let us see if there is any.
Yeah,
Okay, how do I, correct it? Is minus 4 a valid thing? Okay, Kirtan, I think you can do some more R&D on this. Okay. Hello.